Sa sobrang sarap ng black coffee na may dark roast at light roast beans. Sumasarap na lahat. Nescafe Classic ang black coffee na pinakamasarap sa napakasarap.
Kids allergy pag sa Terrazine ang reseta. Kid, number 1 and most easily prescribed sa Terrazine. Fast-acting, already hawa. Sa allergy ng kid, number 1 sa Terrazine allergy.
Ibinagyan.
Gising na! Sa sarap ng Nissan Ramen. Fill your morning with good vibes. Pag Nissan Ramen, good vibes ang gising.
Sa new Cobra Rise, so suave. Ang sarap, grabe. Siguro hindi suave. Hindi so suave. New Cobra Rise, suave energy.
Ang mga gawin, confident na tayo sa gabi with all-in-one bag-bag sarap. Kaya naman ang pamilya, bata, it's back day!
Basketball has always been a big part of my life. To be great.
That's the value of the 4.0. All of a sudden, he has been cut down to 3. Anastacio being the man of the hour here for Rain or Shine. Separado into the 5-point ball game. And he is Anastacio again. Red contact. And so Dilian will try to get to the hard way. You know, that 2.4-point shots of Anastacio happened because Ennis was staying there. Final showdown! Sa lahat ng live audience natin dito sa Gatira at Soler Resort in David City. Gusto niyo ba?
Gusto ko na ako nila Rocky!
Everyone is so excited for our next round. Sobrang ganda kasi dito. But everyone is so excited for our next grand finalist.
Ang next performer natin Rocky talagang nakalutang sa ere pero grounded pa rin sa pamana.
Ang ganda ng sinabi mo. Yes. Paano nga ba niya kinamit ang sarili para galingan pa at maging world class ang talento? Mas kilalanin ba natin si Manza!
Grade 6 ako noong una kong sumalang sa stage. Tapos, that time, hikain pa ako noon. Ngayon, hindi ko akalain magiging trabaho at passion ko ang pagsasayaw. Pero I challenge myself na what if push ko pa o galingan ko pa. Dito sa PGT, napatunayan ko kaya ko pag-level up ang pagpe-perform ko. Ngayon kasi buhok pa pala ako. World class pala ang talent ko. Dream ko na sana magkasama na kami ng kapatid ko at ang mama Heidi ko. Si mama talaga ang dahilan kung bakit ako ngayon nagpapatuloy, mangarap at magsumika. Ako ang dapat manalo kasi gusto kong itaas ang bandera ng drop artist sa bansa. Deserve namin magpasikat sa buong mundo.
That's the new high-speed defining track and Filipino excellence all at once.
Iba ang dera lang lakas na loob ng TV ng hindi na makakot. Lubod na ang tulipan para sa kamara. Kita na putulan ng ulo. Nakakapot si
Manza!
yung padukan man isa. Pwede yun. Sa gusto magician. Diyos ko. Sabi ko ano mahulog siya.
Nagtayungan sila para sa'yo, Mansa!
Grabe ka, Mansa! Nasa iyo talaga ang bangko.
Yes!
And mga kapamilya, you can hear the lyrics there right now. Buong sigaw ay Mansa. Grabe ka. Okay, magawa na para tanongin ang komento ng ating mga kurado. Umisa mo na natin kay
Judge Cap! Manza, it's official. It's Manza Mania. We are obsessed with you, Manza. Grabe, grabe. Yung performance mo, okay? Grabe yung excitement na binigay mo. Yung enthusiasm, sexiness. Lahat yun. So, you were performing nandiyan yung kaba, but at the same time, I was really entertained. Wow, you made it this far, Manza girl. Congratulations.
Scott. Boss MMG. Mansa. Sana ako rin. Gusto nyo lumipad, boss? Gusto ko lumipad yan. Ang galing-galing mo, Mansa. Your performance could be compared to the ones in the day. There you go. World class.
Yeah, salamat boss FNG. Hindi ka naman din si Judge Tony.
Grabe ka, Mansa. Sobrang powerful mo bilang isang tao, bilang isang performer, at bilang isang grand final. At yung kagaya ng paglilipad mo kanina, I'm sure after this, your life, your career, it will really soar to higher heights. Maraming salamat, Mansa. Maraming salamat, Tony. Now let's ask one of the champions of the LGBTQIA+ community, Mr. Nick.
Pinatunayan mo, Manza, sa performance mo ngayon. Hindi lang sapat na bakla ka at hindi naglalaro. Kailangan magaling ka. Manza, pinatunayan mo na mas magaling ka ngayong grand finals kaysa yung semi-finals.
Wow! Grabe mga comments mo.
Hindi malayong matutupad ang pangarap mo para sa iyo.
Maraming salamat. Let's begin with that. Emotional lalo si Manza. Manza, anong gusto mong sabihin? Lalo na totoo yung Manza Mania. You everyone right here talagang tumayo para sa'yo.
First of all, thank you everyone. Ito performance ko, binigay ko sa mama ko. Hindi ko man, wala ko siya sa itablado na to. Mahal, hindi ko wala sa TV. Pangarap natin ko natin na revolution ako.
Maraming salamat for that beautiful performance.
Thank you so much once again, Mansa! Kung gusto nyo request pa si Mansa patungo sa titulong grand winner, hanapin ang picture o pangalan ni Mansa!
Ihanda na ang photo para sa kanya when voting officially opens tomorrow night after our last performer. Once again, palakpakan po natin, Manza! Susunod! After his show-stopping semis performance, handa na siya to flip his way para lumaban sa titulong PGT Season 7 Grand Winner.
Sabi nga ni Judge Tony, he's one of the most talented performers we have here. Abangan ang tanong pasatong ni Jessie J sa performing now!
Pilipinas Got Talent, the Final Showdown!
Filipinas Got Talent would like to pitch Red Planet Hotels, your favorite budget hotel.
Let's take a look at that again. Everything was finished. That would have been a great highlight for us to pick up. But either way, there's a 2-point lead still for the Imperial Warriors. Let's go away. We'll be right back. Left here in the first half, and Evansville Warriors with a 2-point advantage, but already in foul trouble here. They will set the track to the line with every single foul attempt. Rather foul saved as the Evansville Warriors will try to play on this lead. Transition beat, playing a good part here, but the thing will look at these numbers coach up. He's had a couple of last year rebounds, unfortunately, he's been pretty good rebounds so far, but still, Rainer Shine really touching this one.
Yeah, not very successful yet to this point production, but you can have question is effort. You know, you'll be there, you'll compete, you'll be active, and who knows, fourth quarter you'll be there again.
And bodies up in the air, it falls back to the MXO Warriors who have been so great running the ball here. That time, the touch will be against Rainer Shine. It looks like it's going over to the Espadero.
Jonah Grito delivered one of the most memorable performances of his career with a career high on the boards. Jonah shared the 30-point game during a huddle where he locked in on what he needed to do to help the team, which meant going all in on the rebounds. The term "Miss Buhay" came up repeatedly in his post-game interview, a testament that he said to his dedication and refusal to let the team lose. And while he humbly said many of those rebounds just fell into his hands, it is clear they were the result of hustle, grit, and heart. Now, heading to tonight, Jonah knows a repeat performance isn't guaranteed, so it's still a shift. This time it's about trusting his teammates, helping get them going early and doing whatever it takes to keep their campaign alive. Gentlemen.
Thank you so much for that for the Espadero. As right now, starting to come out from the kick the deck. He didn't see just a while ago. Offensive foul on something Fajardo. As it's slowly getting up here, partner Caraco. But then back to the point here, let's take a look at the people right in the face of Robert Foley. Back to the point here of Barbea Espadero. How about the Mercadito and the efforts? He says that, okay, something fell to his hand, but he has to be at the right place at the right time, and that is a skill in itself.
Oh yes, getting rebounds I feel is about effort. You know, you have to to exert effort to be able to out-rebound other players.
And even Moko with a sorry miss after going downhill and getting free. Here's Moko. Down over Golden. Golden gets Moko here. Looking defense. Dave Mo would run front of it. Dave Mo was one of the better perimeter defenders in general in Philippine basketball. So he Moko can't get 3 balls to go. He's over the rebound. He is immediately behind for Moko. Coach Nick Yao was reactive there.
And like they did a better job stopping that transition offense of Rain or Shine.
Moko na to Dominic Fajardo. Cyrus Torres, and now we have Malcolm Moko, who was too close to ball at right now, they eliminated Moko's number 1 point. Oh, field. But then I will always remind everyone, Leonard Moko needs just 1 quarter
Yes.
to get up to his usual numbers.
He's a stringent player, and you have to watch out because when he gets going, it's hard to stop him. And he has shown that in a lot of games here in this conference.
Baby Moko is at the cut off, second back for JP. JP trying to play the ball inside. Marito sa finger bully. Here's Marito. Attacking Ramirez, gets through, and that was a block from Ramirez.
Good block there by Ramirez over the streaking Hilarito. So still, possession goes back to Rain or Shine.
Just gives that step from Ramirez. He gets a corner to Moko. Moko, not yet. Fajardo. Oh, and that'll be a foul against Andre Canapos.
Has been pushing that ball and trying to score in transition, and they've been very successful so far. They scored 11 points off fast break, and that's gotten a lot of fouls from Rain or Shine score.
Diego Williams didn't come in after suffering a slight sprain in the first quarter. He mentioned that it will take probably 30 minutes for the event to take effect. Well, it has to take 30 minutes. He's back.
Yes.
Dominic Fajardo set to shoot a couple. Extend the lead here for that Metro Warriors. And he gets to the second one. Now Muya. It's a 2-point game. Rather 3-point game between these two. Muya, oh,
No foul there.
open on the attack. Here's Bolick. Bolick gets it, and Bolick will finish it. And they're saying that Buzzet or Muya hit on that attempt. Coach Yao not happy with that. Let's take a look at that again. And boy, Simon Torres is a great defensive effort. JP Morgan with a mind to Robert Bolick. The lead extends to 53 to 48 with a minute 28 left here in the first half. Hold on to the air here, coach. The MXO Warriors, it feels like they are doing what Raiders and don't know. They just run with the ball. And they have found a way to take advantage of practice situations for taking more points. What a leader here for the Warriors in that here.
Roman has been doing a splendid job defensively. He scored 16 points as well, and 11 rebounds. Remarkable stats. And right now, this team really needs him to really step up and hopefully help the team get to the semifinals.
David Walton has been contributing well here so far. The MXO Warriors are looking for a way to upside Rain or Shine, and that's the Lakers. Went here in the first half. Here's Davey and Walmore on your screen. Set to defend that 15 minutes, 4 points, 3 rebounds, and 2 assists. Not quite a great team performance for him yet, coach, but then he has contributed in different ways. So we zoom again on MXO Warriors. And had a couple of 3-pointers here on the Rain and Las Vegas. And they got somebody from Mahuya again, but then now it's blocked by Nobody's there.
Oh, I think this guy's there. As Nobo was right underneath the basket, waiting for the ball to land and stand.
Cyrus Torres, Santos Tomás, Robert Bolick against Gabe Norwood. Gabe Norwood almost had that tap. Dominic Fajardo played a pivot role. Some Torritos there, but then he your defender. Ardo has been very successful so far, getting those fouls every time he tries to the basket. Okay, I'm not happy with that call. He felt that it wasn't wrong, yeah, other side. But take a look at that again, so take a look at the hands of Clarito. Actual contact here. There. Just lower the hand, but then they okay, they have to argue. Because of the contact, and it doesn't come from the other end. Like you mentioned. That's hard. It's a free throw, 4-point lead here. And Kuya. Go back to his home for the end of the quarter. Awful. He's playing here at the game normally. This is his plan. He did an easy treat. Good execution there by Rainer Shine. Very patient, moving that ball and finding that those open gaps. Made that shot. Here's Neto. Robert Pollock now. 7 seconds on the shot clock play with Robert Pollock. Right behind the goal at Marito. No dive. Taking all of them. What a spot. But still the NXO Warriors. Still kicked in. How many seconds do they need? Fajardo hits the net and is fouled.
I'm gonna call a foul and Rainer Shine. As Fajardo hits hard, hits his head hard on the deck, on the court, on the floor.
Well, of course, I'm also concerned here for Fajardo because actually, right after he hit the deck, he wasn't even able to hold on to the ball. So 2-point lead for the NXO Warriors, but the NXO Warriors missed a capital of chances at the rim. And the Raiders of Las Vegas couldn't end the possession. Take a look at this again. I forget how many offensive rebounds this was, but Momo had no chance there, still nothing. So watch Dominic Fajardo. And there. Not sure who was called for a foul there. I believe it might be something yet. On that.
Oh yeah. His arm hit his hand hit the arms of Fajardo.
So right now, I'm just going to try and take his time here.
And Fajardo
Still feeling the after effects of everything. And he's saying he's okay. Well, warning here for the Raiders of Las Vegas. Dominic Fajardo. So to try to extend the lead. As mentioned, this is the whole free throw.
the second miss so far from the free throw line. So we still have a second remaining here in the first half.
The lead is no more, man. Oh, no, that was close. That was the defense at the lead.
That should be a fair point. That's my thing.
Oh my goodness, it just went off from so close. Let's take a look at the highlights here for Santi Sanquillan, who has 8 points in the second quarter, 13 points overall, 4 rebounds and 2 blocks. He has been providing lots of scoring for Rainer Shine.
Oh, definitely yes. Stepped up big here in the first half, scoring underneath the basket from those mid-range jumpers. And so far they've come close to end efforts with 3 points.
3 points lead here for the NXO Warriors at the end of the first half. Don't go away. We've got a great one for you. We'll be right back.
Sa panibagong saya, andito na ang Mega Panalo. Games, shows, prizes. Register na. Assuming it's this one, new Signal Super. One login with Brown subscription from multiple streaming apps na Signal Super. All you need is one.
bakit ngayon yung mga panra dito sa atin sa Pilipinas? A bit, honestly, you see the people usually like trip out to join this conference for baseball. Finally, you see the love for the PBA, love for the community, and finally it's really worth both ways. Kaya nakakataba ng puso talaga makita sa din ng tao.
Actually, itong Pintera is, yan din ako sumasali since nung nakabula ako sa mga napakaganda po kasi namin paparala nilang mga Philippines, mga Pintera, na ano, kaya nagigati din po ako sumali dito.
Okay naman po, ang dami kong, like, sobrang laki ko ng, mga prizes. Good din po siya sa amin, like, mga varsity students na may kami sa dorm, gano'n. Kaya, happy din naman po kami sa result and outcome. Saka marami po sa PTA po, and then sa Osasa, and sa iba't ibang sponsors po. Maraming salamat sa tulong nyo and sa cooperation nyo po. At naging successful at maganda ang outcome ng lahat. And then reactions from runners na para daw sila nag-grocery, para daw sila may pangkabuhayan. So, sa dami ng freebies, that's the intention naman ultimately for us to, let's sort of give back to the fans in more ways than one. All proceeds of the run. Challenges for us to upstage this one. The challenges for us to make it bigger, more exciting. We have all sorts of partner brands na talaga naman nagpapalaki, nagpapaganda yung Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta, sa pag-participate na PBA Lusana Run 2025. Sa mga hindi nakasali, we will have a bigger, more exciting event in store for you in your next season. So, sana po sa next season makasali naman kayo.
Yes, I would like to take this opportunity po to everyone na lahat na participate dito sa PBA Run, PBA Lusana Run 2025, isang dekada po. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Roger Torres. Thank you, Jay Scout, for allowing us to stage this wonderful and big event dito sa PBA Lusana Run.
CJ Perez. They go to Aranas, spins around. That's gonna go. recently, you know, we're about it. He's a break. Just too quick. Too sweet for that team.
They're going to defend it also somewhat.
He's up to 9 seconds remaining. Because Ayo, he's flying away. And he's here. Get it, go! Bumubusa ka rin like that. RJ Ilaga takes the jumper. Let's go. Swap na swap.
Ganyan pagkabasa, he knows his trigger the game instead of using for his dribble right, change direction, or to step up on separation, club change.
Just up the text, rather.
For making changes in your lineup. By the way, balance play possible. So you can only pick up 3 wickets. And you can only sign up players who have 5 contacts. So the deadline is June 16th is well moved. Yeah, change your lineup.
Everyone, I did my part. I am prepared.
Just remember this was new Signal Super. One login, one subscription from multiple streaming apps now. Signal Super. All you need is one.
Everyone, I did my part. I am prepared.
Just remember this was new Signal Super. One login, one subscription from multiple streaming apps now. Signal Super. All you need is one.
Here for both these teams because the NFL Warriors have a huge advantage over offensive rebounding, 13-4. But of course, not the point. They only have 2 second chance points in this game. Take a look at that here.
Well, as you can see, just like what you mentioned, they had 14 offensive rebounds, but they were not able to convert into points.
And right now, the big advantage is 27-19 in favor of rebounding. None of them offensive rebounds, by the way. 13 offensive rebounds.
What's clear here is the fast break points. They're into 0, but both of those fast break points came from the turnovers of rain or shine. And that's one of the things probably Coach Jen is now addressing or has addressed during the halftime break.
Robert Pollock in charge for all scorers here with 17 points. Other than Dillan, Andre Carajo leading the way with 14 and 12 for the Raiders and Atlanta Patriots. And on Tuesday, a couple of 4-pointers here. But notable here for the FSU Warriors, it's still not in their top scorers are the likes of Davey Momo and the likes of Kevin Alas. It's Simon Gilbert. Time scores based on time scores attack at 0 points this game so far. While for the Raiders and Atlanta Patriots, they're still waiting for an explosion coming from Adrian Momo. Maybe from Carito. He has 2 points in the game as well. So a lot of
sure they're just waiting on the wings, waiting for those kick-out passes by Bolly. But, you know, in the first half, Rainier Shine decided not to double team Bolly. And that's the reason why he's been driving to the basket, trying to take advantage of that one-on-one defense on him by Rainier Shine.
Okay, let's also just checking how much he can come over to our referee here. As we take a look at the playoff picture here between these two, or rather for the entire conference, GG from 5-3, getting past the Yahan in a fantastic game just a while ago.
Yes.
A chance here for either Edmonton or Rainier Shine to put the ticket against them in a best of 7 semifinal. When the other side, what a Titanic matchup.
Oh, yes.
San Miguel and Ginebra.
That's going to be a big game of the semifinals. But,
Aspirasi naman yung pag nanalo ka, di ba?
Ang Lenny, kita. Nabalitaan ko kasi, sasali ka sa cosplay contest, di ba? Meron ba ba sa'yo? Wala ko po eh.
Oh, perfect! Di ba? Ayan, oh, Haji! Pag-practicean mo si Lenny. Oh, ayan. Okay na, sir. Ako na mahala sa kanya, ha? Pagka muna ako sa'yo. May mga kapatid.
Kuya, si Haji nga pala. Kasama ko si Haji.
Ano po? Haji po.
Patanggalin mo kami sa kwarto ko. May make-upan po ako ni Haji.
Paano po yung kaibigan niyo? Si Aleta. Petra. Alam mo, mahusay din yun. Sa sobrang husay nun, sino nagaling niyo ng lakas? Si Lady Gaga. Teka, si Bunso gagawin mo Lady Gaga? Naku, nakita mo ba yung talo sa tato ng mukha niya? Wala. Mas malambot pa nga yung mukha mo eh. Mas lang yung makeup mo.
Ano, papaganda ako ni Haji, no? Hindi ka na nga. Sige na.
Sige yun. Salamat po. Sabi ko, winisip nyo na naman si Bunso.
Pasok ka. Kwarto ko. Sorry. Wait lang. Check-in ko muna to. Ay, wag na. Huwag ka na dyan. Nakakahiya.
Ano ba? Kulang pang hiya mo ah.
Ano ba? Ang weird. May kumpisa ng ordo, may painter, may adik sa bato. May wannabe cosplayer. Di ba kaya kami parang may weird na halo-halo?
Ang cool kaya. Saka masaya kasi friend ko kayo.
Bakit? Ano ba?
Hiwalay na kasi yung mga magulang ko. Pero kung ginawa niyo naman lahat, parang hindi po kami ha. Kahit na nakakulong yung tatay ko nun, halos din na kami nakapila sa kulungan para naman kasama na.
Hindi na kasi kulungan?
Oo.
Sige, astig! Astig!
Kaya,
Ano yan?
hindi ba alaga ang mga sense mo na nagawa yung usama ng mga kato? Yes.
Grabe naman pala ng buhay mo.
Jenny! sila. Isip mo na. Isip mo na. Minsan, sorry. Siguro yan, nagsumahigas ka sa akin.
Nandun na sa kapiti mo. Ganun na ganun yung sa kasi ito ng kwarto ko. Siguro, nandun na lang ako. Sige. Francis, ang init na. Kuha mo na ako ng temperature sa baba. Ikaw muna.
Sige. Sige na, you are going to eat.
Rainbow, wala na!
Mas makulay.
Are you ready, Rainbow?
At mas malimig. Ang weekend natin.
Nagbabalik ang Rainbow!
And the stage is set. Nakakatuwa makakita ng mga great talent din ng mga singers. Sa mga ganda ng boses mo.
I did not like that. I love
7:15 p.m. Itinayag na ang ating mga pangangaling Sabado at Linggo.
Loading check. Celebration ready sa ASAP.
Choose your fighter.
Our moves activate. Shotgun! All party one!
Locked and ready para sa intense moments.
Next level ang loading moment sa kantahan.
Kaya sure din, malapit so.
Show for sa mga loading places. Sunday morning. Nanood naman siya. Wala kita. Kinis mo pa. Switch to Knock Out Power Level. 15 minutes lang. Bilis-bilis ang kanya. Lower the sauce sa washing machine. Sabi ko lang, wash ang Knock Out.
Good day for a date.
Not day for the day. Head and shoulders Actually, ang pretty, nagawa sa Alaska. Bawal dito ulat, isustansya. Nasa Bingo Plus na ang bagong Pinoy Crop Ball. Naka-livestream anytime, anywhere. Pwedeng ka manalo. Pag-ipak na premyo. Kaya download na app ng paperbingoplus.com na. First day taping! Noong classmate ang buko ko, Sunsilk with active infusion at lemon oils, vitamins, and proteins para always smooth and hair na may balong makakabigin. Walang makakabigin. Action! Sunsilk with active infusion.
Habang tumatanda, I've been getting those red faces lately. Mas mahaba ang mga araw. And I just know, I can't be happy with that.
Your playground, now online. Technically tested for 1,500 games. Secure and fast phone please. Meron pang pay for fun option to try all the games. Diba, let's create.ph.
Big day for Bobby. Irish Split Cheesecake Big. 40% bigger. I'm Bobby. What's up? Big moving. Big wins. Irish Split Cheesecake Big.
Straightening, color, curling. Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause and reverse the signs of damage. Dow Ceramide Intense Repair with bioprotein care that penetrates hair. Reversing the signs of damage, 5 to 10 times stronger and smooth hair. Just pause, reverse, and hit play. Dow Ceramide Intense Repair.
Naroon ang nagbabagang balita sa oras na ito. Binaha ang ilang pangunahin ng lansangan sa Metro Manila matapos bumuhos ang malakas na ulan Sabado ng hapon. Ayon sa Metropolitan Manila Development Authority o MMDA, may ilang kalsada ang hindi nadaanan ng mga light vehicles matapos umabot ng tuhod hanggang baywang ang lalim ng baha. Ayon naman sa pag-asa, ang naganasang pag-ulan sa Metro Manila ay bunsod ng localized thunderstorm. Bukod dito ay wala namang iba pang sama ng panahon ang nakaapekto sa NCR. At yan, ang nagbababang balita sa oras na ito. Ako po si Rafael Posang.
Saturday. Sige, pag-isipan mo muna. Sige, thank you.
Lenny! Uy! Iniiwas mo ba ako?
Ha? Ba't mo kita iiwasan?
Ano kasi, ang dami kasing teachers na nagpapamakeup sa akin. Kung naghahanap ka ng racket, di ba? Gusto mo, tingin tayo. Ako mag-makeup, ikaw naman sa buhok. Tuturuan naman kita.
Sunod-sunod kasi mga punta sa pageants ko. Kaya, wala na akong time. Sorry ah.
Sige. Sige naman. Gusto sana ako ng Indonesia.
Ano to? Si pwede mo na akong bigyan ng ganyan? Tsaka, huwag ka natin maging sweet at thoughtful. Huwag mo na rin akong tingnan ng ganyan.
Ano ba kayo sa dapat tingnan?
Haji, hindi ka pa naman out, okay lang. Sabihin mo na sa akin.
Saan gusto ko? Saan ako? Sweet at thoughtful lang sa'yo. Ano sa tingin mong dahilan? Gusto kita. Gusto. Okay lang ba?
Ang galing pa pa mo. Kitang-kita yung tigkat ng mga bagay. Mahal-mahal mo ako na sa'yo. Bilang sa art. Hindi sa pag-makeup yun. Haji, napapalabas ng mga kamay mo. Ang ganda ng mga tao.
Kaya ko, tingin namin itong tao eh. Tapo. Kaya hindi mo nasagot yung paniligaw ko sa'yo. Sana na akong pagkamalan, Penny. Wala naman yun sa akin. Kasi, alam ko naman kung sino ako. Ano talaga ako? Tanggap ko. Hanggang friends lang tayo.
Tinanong ko nga si Maya, bakit sinabi niya na bakla ka daw? Eh, crush ka din lang niya. Kaya, ayaw na na magkagusto ko sa'yo. Kaya, yun. Ano nga, Jake? Tama ka. Nakapagod ako sa mga sinasabi nila tungkol sa'yo. Pero hindi dahil sa inisip mo. Kapag narinig ko sila, gusto ko na sila ko rin. Gusto ko tayo paglaban, Haji. Kasi ganun kita ka gusto, Haji. Alam ko na hindi kita agad sinagot. Pero na-overwhelmed talaga ako nun eh. Kaya sana naman hindi totoo na hanggang saan tayo para sa'yo. Kasi para sa akin, Haji, gusto ko higit pa dun. Oo nga.
Kung ngayon kita nakikita, Lenny, pagdagan mo ng kulay ng buhay ko.
Nung sagutin ako ni Lenny, yun yung pink era ko. Oo, andun pa rin yung mga problema. Pero
hustled himself back to the triple. Robert Bolick now against Guillermo Muya. Bolick. What a help be there from Gabe. No false goal there. The drive by Bolick. Here comes Rain or Shine. Oh. Andre Caraco with a throwaway, not quite in sync with Mike Malonzo. Again, a Johnson coming in for Santillan. That's a 2-point ball game here. You can see why there was so much frustration from Raiders. I know what side it. Yeah, both teams really feeling the pressure. Here's Nieto. Now Robert Bolick takes. Bolick loves his matchup. The Raiders try to switch on that ball screen. You can see Robert Bolick. Now to Brandon Ramirez. Ramirez to Bolick. Back up for Bolick. Robert Bolick. Oh! Robert Bolick extends the lead. That was a big shot there by a big time player, Bolick. You go the other way though. It's just a 6-point game. Guillermo Muya driving inside and the teeth of the team will shoot two. But what a play from Robert Bolick. Take a look at that again, Coach. So Ramirez giving it to Bolick and finding himself in all sorts of space. Yeah, Raiders trying for a time to switch on to Bolick, and that resulted into a 1-1 shot. Showing signs of being hurt on the drive to the basket. And you know, Guillermo Muya has been playing big here, considering the fact that there has been a struggle here for Adrian Oku. The guy he gets these heads of rotation with. Here's Bolick. This is a 4-pointer a while ago. Nieto with a pick here. They're not switching picks in. They eventually do. Underground. Against Bolick. Set out. That's going to be big for Red Knights. And it begins on Robert Bolick with an offensive rebound. Offensive rebound. Bolick, no. That would have been huge. Game over against Matt one. He's in the corner. Malonzo against Ramirez. Mamo, driving traffic. Malonzo after Ramirez. And Mamo trying to make something out of nothing. Got free, but was unable to manufacture that shot. By one more now, Bolick they can take advantage here. Bolick with a traffic, that's where they're trying to reset. Size advantage, more Raiders shot, but weakness advantage for Bolick. There's good things here. Game over. That side, good defense from Raiders shot. Take it out. Win. Wow. What a pass there by Muya. He had thought that Malonzo wouldn't be able to catch it and finish, but he was able to do it. Great didn't so. So Guillermo Muya with that pass. Here is Robert Bolick. That's going to be foul from Gabe Ball with a foul here, yeah. Good foul there by Norwood to stop that play. 2-point lead for Evansville Boys. Take a look at that again. Again, Guillermo Muya. Right, that pass was two white shirts. He thought even you could see the monitor, there was nobody there yet. 14 seconds on the shot clock, 35.7 left here in the third quarter. Canada. DiCaprio. That was for the day. No good. That was falling back to Rain or Shine. I think Caraco has it. Caraco found that when DiCaprio, that also found it. Rain or Shine has a chance to tie the score with this last possession, hopefully. Tie with a 3, take the lead with a 3. Yeah, four. But that's that ball game here. Andre Caraco, Guillermo Muya, Aiden Johnson, Gabe Ball with Mike Malonzo, on the floor here for Rain or Shine. Aiden, Zacarado, trying to keep it contained here. He's looking around. 50 seconds shot clock. Aiden has to go. Still a clock to turn around. Let that short. No pass, no movement, and a turnover here. Raiders trying preliminary review because the ball hit so his mistake, according to our lead referee, Peter Mata, saying that it should be, and it's all it is. But we saw it in that angle, the ball hit the foot or the shoe of Johnson. So we look at here, there's going to be behind the back attack, and there it is. So good call there, yeah, for veteran referees. Dominic Fajardo, who was also a best here for Coach John Chico in that third quarter in particular. This there from Nieto Alas, offensive rebound, and Alas to the reverse. Again, that offensive rebound and put second chance point has been very effective for Endless. 82 to 81, the count here. And that time, every time that operated the interior three-point game, so that they're bottom of the floor. Not quite sure what happened. Take a look at that again. As we take a look at this, last step from Kevin Alas. Took advantage. Our body up in the air, and a nice reversal coming from Chick. Agent Gaines, old middles, Kevin Alas. Although it's a beautiful one, great time. You've already got it. Oh, yeah. Nice one on clear. Stepping up here for the Rain or Shine. Needed those, given quantity minutes by Coach Yang, scoring now 5 points. Couple of changes here, and still no Robert Bowling for Coach John Chico. So the 5 on the floor, Nieto, Alas, Ramirez, Bahio, and Torres. As that looks good there for Frank Alonso. Bahio now. Up to Nieto. Brandon Ramirez. Look at the screen there by Ramirez. And Nieto left open. And Ramirez with one-handed rebound. And a block ever something young. Officially, I believe the first base of Brandon Ramirez. Yes, exactly. You know, but he was able to set that screen to get his teammate open. And then on the miss, he was able to get the offensive rebound. The Ringside got a big boost from the bench in that third quarter. They outscored and thanks to that 14 to 2. The turnover. Oh, now it is. Because Alas did fall over. Yes. The Escudero has this report for us in just a bit. We will get there later on. So let's take a look at this first. Let's get Alas. I'll say that there was a push. The referee not interested. There's the step. The Escudero has to score now.
Over at NX, Coach John reminded his team to stay composed after Rainer Shine's last big shot and there is no time to recoup and recenter. He then quickly shifted gears, urging the team to sprint back, box out, and maintain discipline and poise in the final minutes of this ballgame. Meanwhile, for Rainer Shine, Coach Yang emphasized patience in finding the best scorer, whether it's inside or at the perimeter. The final order is to defend well, secure the rebound, and run the floor. Gentlemen.
Next to the front court, that was there, Escudero. Again, muy up a little bit. Santillan, operating here. And has to terminate and gives it back. Okay, Carapos, he's working on Ramirez. Carapos needs to manufacture something, pushes that up. And that won't do. But it falls to Jordan Carito. Carito found on the floor and is asking for travel. They won't get it. So let's go back to the points there of Bea Escudero. Basically, the instruction from both coaches, both involved, one, being composed and being able to execute in the fourth quarter. Something that these two young squads have to get used to, especially as they grow up in this particular competition. Not on goal on the floor here. 86-81, Rain or Shine with the lead. And don't go away, we'll be right back.
This program is brought to you by Red Zone of Men. With Arena Plus, everyone can join in on your games live. You can tune in, get more from the game, and can even be part of history.
Once more, only with Arena Plus.
Huwag kang matakot, di ba alam?
Boys saying the 3 rebounds of Torres in the fourth quarter. No, but I Torres. Torres was instrumental in that third quarter explosion in game one, scoring 14 of those 20 points. And now 20 minutes, 4 points only. Yep. We're gonna hope that he picks it up as this fourth quarter goes on. But return of Robert Bowley, coach, he's back in the game for the first time in quite a while here. First time in the fourth quarter, I believe. He's at 54 nice. He is offensive. That's when Raiders had made a run out. Bowley was up there. And then Loco. Trying to get Bowley up to the right over Ramirez. No good. Alonso, what a rebound. North Appeal. And that is a tough finish. He will get the bonus. Look at this guy, Alonso. Man of the hour now. He's doing what hurts the pin in their first game. Keeping them out of nine. Effort to get the rebound. Able to finish off that body contact by Bornado. Bahia went up in the air and Mike Malone just took advantage. There's Moco. Waiting for Robert Bowley. He sets the pick. Moco. Back to Bowley. Give more ball over there. Here is the pick. Here. Not even now. Moco lying on the yard. He's going to come on the right side. There by Zaniya. Forcing almost to miss the shot. See how Raiders Shine will bring his zone defense right in nets. Look at Marito, great for the jumper, and it's good. Oh, Raiders Shine, the perimeter scoring has been something to behold. Oh, yes. They've got it there here in the fourth quarter while they're up by 9. And he didn't want the 3. He can't get it back. But Mike Malonzo all over the rebounding. But it will be a foul against Malonzo. Maybe Boko will throw back. Marito. Settling for the J. But you really can't call it settling. That's here because of the zone defense. But you don't have to release. Nobody there to try the jump back. By Marito. Thanks, Torres. That's what I'll be calling. Create scoring. Doing it for Raider Shine. Loco was able to give that drop pass. And all of a sudden, it'll be a 10-point lead here for the Raiders on the last of Raiders. Their largest of the game. And Coach Doug Vitino has a lot to talk about. 6-12 left here for Don't Go Away. We'll be right back.
Tapi pagi itu.
Paano ko hindi ka gabi? Ano?
Pagpalit yun.
Ano?
Udah maku.
Ha?
Udah maku.
Paano ko hindi ka gabi?
Incredible performance here. 2028 versus career, first local in RMS franchise history, and the short distance down the Puebla. It's really, really fantastic comfort. Now you've got to get ready to coach Yin Yao. He has that ability to be able to discover a player, see the talent, hidden gems, as you may call it. And that's why my dad played perfect for me here. Exactly. 21 before being here, Baker Raiders have a lot of assist. One slot there. Outside the scores, he's a four-pointer. So good. And Raiders trying to coach, he just got to say, defense has been a big factor for the Raiders and Las Vegas in Johnson home concern. They have been doing a yeoman's job here in the fourth quarter, shutting down the offense of NLEX. And Johnson, for the big part of this Raiders team, they're going to be moving these okay. Take a look at that again. Then he runs into Manonzo. I think of this squat there coming from John Carlito. The timing of John yes. Yeah, reminder Michael Jordan, with the BBOY. That's Michael Jordan for you. With that squat, yes. Well, so far, Raiders has limited index to 5 points here in the fourth quarter. Local, so over the jump for the elbow, it has not been local tonight. And that will be another jump ball situation. We have had a lot of those. Yes, yes. That's how important that ball is. Everybody will die for that possession. Everybody will kill for that possession. And once again, don't make it hard to insult. He's always been, that's his game. And when he still remains on the last minute, I think the what is easy. It goes back to Mamuya. 5.4 left here in the fourth quarter, and Mamu will be fouled by Robert Bole on the drive. And that's decided to stay with their zone defense. Accumulated on soccer here. Only 3 points, 1 of 9 on the field in 24 minutes.
Aman.
Almost a steal. Bole all over Novo. Even
Ano ka
Johnson.
nindot? Ano ko na
Three
ilang
pointer.
pang
Nice to get that goal. Oh, got it. Carito, what a rebound. And Michael also there. And will still stay with Raider time. You have 2 players who have the ability to be able to
Sabi
anticipate
man,
these
nag-loss.
shots and get those rebounds. Like you have Carito there. And then there's also Malonzo. So those 2 are in the net for NX right now. Raider shines at the inbound here, trying to see off the NX Road Warriors. Who, by the way, had a slight scoop advantage here. Here's Mamuya. Mamuya, that's 3-pointer. Two guys. Oh, but they will stay with Raider Shine. Good break there for Raider Shine. As Policarpio could not get full possession of that rebound. This possession is not there. Raider Shine still has it here. And another chance. Also to Clarito. Cleaned it up as a 3-ball goal. But another offensive rebound. So far, Raider Shine has been doing what NX has been doing to them the entire game. And you don't go in the corner. Can he finally get it? No, and finally, Brandon Ramirez ends the possession. See what they got here with their possession.
frustration foul. Might be off the shoulder actually. And that might actually make a big difference. Even if it goes on the shoulder. But there's a foul.
That's a regular foul.
Yeah. So Tapia will go back to the bench. River Bahia. So still time here for Rain or Shine, or rather Edmonds to make a move, but they need to stop here.
I duplicate what he did earlier, and they did to Nolia.
With Navito. Andre Caraco. Here's Moko. Attacking Moko. Oh, what a great attack! Shot, shot!
Rain or Shine doing the right things here in the fourth quarter.
That was Martin Renaissance bench because he didn't want to consider that a doctor later. Here's Moko, the spin. Working on Jonas Narita will go line of shoot two.
Good up and underneath there with Mohan to get the foul.
Take a look at this again.
Nice pass by Mohan. No, I'm sorry.
Take a look at this again and Johnson. Lay in, dunk. That's three.
Almost.
Either way, it still counts for two. Look for lay in. Important point that are still alive but are on life support here.
Mohan so far 9 points to stay.
And send it back into the left side of Flores. Over City. Attack from Mahuya. Race back to Bahia. And that's a foul. So after the split free throws a while ago, Bahia getting the two here, and now a chance to get a free throw to make it a 4-point possession. And to make it a 10-point game.
Yes.
Fourth and nightmare scenario here would be a miss and then next offensive rebound from a Raven perspective. But he gets it, so that's a 4-point play.
Let's see if NX will still stick to their zone defense. They've not been very successful so far.
And now breaking the trap here, they go to the corners to Amigo. Now here's Moku. Moku against Torres.
NX goes back to man-to-man defense.
Samaran. And that's short. Big, that is short though. But it falls back.
Like a deja vu thing. Carrillo doing what he does best, getting those offensive rebound and putback.
Robert Bolick, he's a four, he gets it.
Wow, what a big 4-point shot there by Bolick. Raiders decided to go under on that ball screen.
And all of a sudden, it is an 8-point ball game. Edmonds are not going down without a fight. And Cyrus Torres will be hit with a foul.
We'll go down to send Raiders to the line, as you can see there.
It was actually a slip there from KB Walco that allowed Robert Torres to get that. But big basket here for Robert Bolick. Keeps them alive in this contest. 98 to 90. 2:42 left here in the fourth quarter. Hold on to your hats, folks. Because they're not done just yet. We'll be right back.
Everyone, I give my all. I am prepared.
Sorry, man, one guy. Assuming it's this one. New Signal Super. One login, one subscription. For multiple streaming apps now. Signal Super. All you need is one.
This is the first two. Take a look at Mike Malone, the coach. 10 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. Ranger Shine getting contributions all over the place. They're trying to get that Malone. So, first nice packages of Ranger Shine in this game. They need solid. On the attack here. But up to the corner to Sarah. That's his shot, but that time it's a miss. 2:28 left here. A basket here would be big for Rainer Shine. They get Michael on the effort, and yet still not afford to give up a foul. So they're already down. So Arito gets the two is wide. Arito takes his man off to get the basket.
almost a turnover here. Aiden Loco will calm things down. They're gonna use the clock. Loco now. It's Aiden Thompson. 7 seconds on the shot clock here. They gotta get a stop. It's your FX. And Aiden Loco misses from full break.
Less than a minute left in this game.
Always ball they close to a turnover. And ball they can go for a 4-pointer. Still nothing better. So the shot's not falling. And then next to the Warriors are set to bow out from the Philippine Cup. And the Raiders have a lot of winners. Complete the double over the FX Gold Warriors to book their spot against the TNT Pro from 5 team into the semifinals of the Philippine Cup. What an achievement here for this young Raider Shine team. The seventh in the Philippine Cup.
Definitely. They overachieved again this conference, overcoming the odds by winning twice against NLEX, overcoming the twice complete advantage of NLEX. And, this team has been a revelation, to say the least.
103-92 will be the final score here as the FX Road Warriors have to bid farewell after what was an incredible run in the elimination round. Memorable performances for so many young players. But then right now, Rainer Shine are now 19 out of the 52 teams have overcome a twice defeat disadvantage, and they advance for 4 consecutive semifinals. This is their time to start making the board. Rainer Shine will face off against the TNT Tropang 5G in the semifinals of the Philippine Cup as they look to overcome their voodoo of falling into semis. Rainer Shine are on the up and up, but what about our best player of the game? So many to choose from, but then Santi Santillan will take home the honors.
Oh, definitely. Santi has proven that he can lead this team to the playoffs. As you can see here, 24 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists. He's done everything that was asked of him from this game. Scoring, rebounding, defending. It's been the reason why Rainer Shine is now in the finals.
Big game, 103-92 in favor of the Rainer Shine Alaska Fingers. And ladies and gentlemen, the path is now set. On one end of the bracket, Miguel takes on the Scott Indians here in the battle of the Titans. Ginebra falling in the final last time around. Wants to come back and score it big, but TNT, after escaping the Magnolia Hot Shots, take on a Rainer Shine team hungry for a chance at the final. It will all begin on Wednesday. Semifinal 5th of 7 at the Mall of Asia Arena. TNT and Rainer Shine
how sassy, coded, you were all over the floor, shooting, rebounding, and defending. Many timely shots para lang makabawi kayo sa Emirates. Anong klaseng tulong yung nakuha mo mula sa iyong mga teammates na nakatulong sa performance mo at makakatulong ngayon sa punta na kayo sa semifinals for the fourth time?
Coach said na lahat ng pwede lang ang galing. Yun, nandito naman ako para ready para itulong sa team. Parang kailangan, yun ako lang. And then, yun, sapat kayo remind nyo, at malunso kasi kahit mali, parang tawag nyo sa akin yung last year. Ito position na transfer, isa pa sa
Next in line are the Raider County Raiders after an incredible comeback. It was all in like in the first half, but then early signs here for Raider Giants grit were on point. Rico there were back inside and love out Brandon Martinez. Coach, in the first half, it felt like in like was doing all the things. And then Raider coach had just mentioned their new the first half, you could see that they were playing according to their game plan. They wanted to control the tempo, they wanted to execute, and they did very well. They did it successfully, and so they were able to control the game in the first half. And ended it with a 21-27 in the first quarter. Of course, in that second quarter, Santillan was able to start things off here for the next time. A lot of it, I think it was a bit of working and the whole temper of the game, Santillan. But the Raiders had a lot of makers actually pounded out for the first one. They were taking all there. Guys like Anthony Carapo, Carl Ray from beyond the arc. And coach, as you take a look at this here, the shooting of the Raiders really gets them into the ball game despite the fast break points given up, the turnover points given up. Yeah, they were fairly adaptive to say the least in the first half. That gave Mendes a lot of opportunities, fast break opportunities, just like that. But then they were bailed out by their 3-point shooting. So you see a Pisco and